Hello, 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 everyone. Welcome back to the Geo English Academy channel, where learning English is as easy as drinking water. I am Nina.
Ouch. Hello, friends. I am Nero. Ouch, my arm.
Oh, Nero, what is wrong? You sound like an old door that needs oil. Why are you making those noises?
Nina, I made a big mistake. A huge mistake. This morning, I looked in the mirror. I saw my belly. It was jiggling, like jelly.
Oh, Nero, a little jelly is okay. But let me guess, you decided to exercise.
Yes, I decided to become a strong man, a superhero man. So I went to the big building with the heavy metal things, the place with the sweat.
You mean the gym?
Yes, the gym. But Nina, it was a disaster. I tried to lift a heavy thing, and now I cannot move my neck. I cannot move my arm. I think I am broken. Can you fix me?
Oh, poor Nero. I cannot fix your arm, but I can fix your English. I think today is the perfect day to talk about exercise and the gym.
Okay, but please speak slowly. My brain is tired too.
Don't worry. We will learn the right words, the right verbs, and we will hear about your funny disaster at the gym. Friends, if you are ready to get fit in English, please smash that like button. It exercises your finger.
Yes, click it. It is the only exercise I can do right now.
So, Nero, tell me exactly what you said to your friend this morning.
Well, I called my friend Bob. I told him, Bob, today I am going to make gym.
You said, make gym?
Yes, like make a cake or make dinner. I wanted to create a gym session.
Ah, I see the problem. Gentle correction. Nero, listen carefully. In English, we never say make gym. We cannot build the building.
Really? But I make a mistake. Why can't I make gym? English is so crazy.
It is a little crazy, but for exercise, we usually say two things. We say go to the gym or we say work out.
Work out? Like work at an office?
No. Work out is a phrasal verb. It means to exercise your body. So you don't make gym, you work out.
Let me think. So I can say, I worked out this morning.
Exactly. That is perfect.
But wait, Nina, I have a story. When I arrived at the gym, everyone was looking at me.
Why? Were you singing loudly again?
No, I was wearing my office clothes. I was wearing a suit and a tie and nice black shoes.
Oh, Nero, no. You cannot work out in a suit. You need sportswear or activewear.
I know that now. I tried to run and my tie hit me in the face. Slap, slap, slap. It was terrible.
Oh, that is a funny image. Okay, let's practice this deep learning. We need to remember work out. Nero, I want you to say 5 sentences using work out. Can you try?
Okay, let me try. I need to work out to lose my jelly belly. My brother loves to work out every day. We should work out together, Nina. I did not work out yesterday because I was lazy. Is it expensive to work out at your gym?
Wow, clapping. That was amazing, Nero. 5 perfect sentences. You are a star student.
Thank you. My brain is working out now.
Now, Nero, let's talk about why you are in pain. When you got to the gym in your suit, what did you do first?
I saw the heaviest metal circle, the big heavy thing, and I tried to lift it immediately. I wanted to impress the people.
Immediately? Did you not do a warm-up?
A warm what? The room was already warm. The air conditioner was broken.
No, Nero. A warm-up is light exercise you do before the heavy exercise. You need to make your muscles warm. Think of it like a car in winter. You have to warm up the engine, right?
Ooh, I see. My muscles were cold, like frozen chicken in the freezer, and I tried to bend the frozen chicken.
Exactly. And what happens when you bend a frozen chicken?
It breaks. Snap. That is exactly how my back feels. Snap.
You need to stretch, to move slowly.
Stretch. Like a cat?
Yes, like a cat. I have a funny story about this too. Once I went to a yoga class. I wanted to stretch, but I didn't warm up enough. The teacher said, "Put your leg behind your head."
Leg behind the head? That is impossible.
I tried, and I got stuck. My leg was stuck behind my ear, and I fell over. Boom. Everyone laughed.
Nina, you fell over? That makes me feel better. We are both clumsy.
Yes, we are. But now I always warm up. Let's practice. Why do we say warm up? Because up means to increase. Increase the heat.
Okay, I like this deep learning. Let me try 5 sentences with warm up. Before running, you must warm up. I forgot to warm up and now I say ouch. Let's warm up for 10 minutes. A good warm up prevents injury. Do you like to warm up with jumping jacks?
Perfect. Prevents injury. That is a very advanced phrase, Nero. I am proud.
I heard a doctor say it on TV while I was eating potato chips.
Okay, moving on. In the gym, there are 2 main types of exercise. Do you know them?
The easy kind and the hard kind?
Not exactly. We have cardio and lifting weights.
Cardio. That sounds like a hard doctor word.
You are smart. Cardio comes from cardiovascular. It means exercise for your heart, like running, swimming, or cycling. It makes you breathe fast. Huff, puff, huff, puff.
Ah, I tried that. I went on the running machine thingy. What is it called?
It is called a treadmill.
Yes, the treadmill. I hate it. Let me tell you my story. I stood on the treadmill. I wanted to run fast like a leopard. So I pressed the button. Plus, 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 plus.
Oh no, Nero, that sounds dangerous.
It went vroom. It was too fast. My legs went wibble wobble. And then I flew off the back.
You flew off?
Yes, I flew like a bird, but a bird with no wings. I landed on a yoga ball. Boing! And I bounced across the room.
Oh my goodness. Nero, are you okay?
Only my pride is hurt. Everyone stopped lifting weights to watch the flying Nero.
Well, that was your cardio. The other type is lifting weights. That is for muscles.
Yes, the heavy things. I think I prefer cardio. Lifting weights is too heavy.
It is good to do both. Cardio burns calories, weights build muscle. Let's compare them.
I hate cardio.
I love lifting weights. Now, Nero, give me 5 sentences using treadmill or cardio.
Okay. The treadmill is a dangerous machine. I do cardio to help my heart. My friend runs on the treadmill for 1 hour. Cardio makes me sweat a lot. Don't fall off the treadmill like Nero.
Number 5 is the most important rule. Now, Nero, we have one last important lesson. Nero, at the beginning you said, I am broken. In English, we have a special word for the pain you feel after exercise. We don't usually say hurt unless it is very bad. We say, I am sore.
Sore? S-O-R-E?
Yes, sore means your muscles are tired and stiff. It is a good pain. It means you worked hard. Injured means you broke something.
Let me check. Ow. I think it is just stiff. So I am sore?
Yes, you are sore. Being sore is normal. Have you heard the idiom, no pain, no gain?
No pain, no gain. What does gain mean?
Gain means to get something, to get muscles. If you don't feel a little pain, soreness, you don't get the big muscles.
I have a lot of pain, so I must have a lot of gain coming. I will be the Hulk tomorrow.
Maybe not tomorrow, but soon. Let's practice sore. My legs are sore today. I am sore because I exercised. Are you sore after the gym?
4. Walking is hard when you are sore. 5. Nena is never sore because she is a pro.
Okay, Mr. Nero, it is time for the super speedy quiz. Are you ready to test your brain?
My brain is not sore. Let's do it.
Question 1. Do we say make gym or work out?
We say work out. We are not construction workers building the gym.
Correct. Question 2. What is the machine that makes you run but stay in the same place?
The treadmill. Or the Nero launcher.
Correct. Question 3. What must you do before you exercise to avoid frozen chicken muscles?
You must warm up.
Yes. And final question. If your muscles hurt a little bit the next day, you are...
You are sore.
100%. Wow, Nero, you learned everything.
I did, and I learned not to wear a suit to the gym.
You did a great job today, Nero, and I hope your body feels better soon.
Thank you, Nena. I will take a hot bath. That helps with being sore, right?
Yes, hot water is perfect. And to our lovely listeners, thank you for studying with us today. You exercised your English muscles.
Yes, now your brain has a six-pack.
We have a question of the day for you. Please answer in the comments. Do you prefer cardio, running or swimming, or lifting weights, and why?
Or do you prefer eating pizza on the sofa? Be honest, I want to know.
Tell us below. And please, if you liked this video, hit subscribe. It helps us work out the YouTube algorithm.
Share this with a friend who needs to go to the gym. See you next time.
Bye-bye, everyone. Keep learning.